Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong gabi sa tanan. So, we only have isa na good og duha or tulo lang ka viewers. Good evening sa tanan, no? Nagsikog yaw-yaw day pagtukog nag-live na ko, pamanday ko na live. Sige, so magsugod sa ta sa ato ang about karon sa trending na daw kuno ko. Nya daghan kay nag-message na ko na mauni na anak ko yung mga death threats, na daghan kay mga sa tuig pisti kuno ko yawa kuno ko nya. Daghan jud as in makaana jud ka nga a lot of Filipino people are not understanding, wala nakasabot sa sitwasyon, no? Kanya dive lang diretso dayon sa issue bisag wala pa kay baw, nagpataka na lang na personal na lang. Guys, before you dive into my issue in my personal FB post, ayaw sa tayon mo pag binugo tarong sa ninyo basa, okay? Now we'll start before ta mag-start ang ato ang ako lang i-quote daan nga ang kaning mismong libro ni Sir President Juan Duterte. Sir, I will quote you on this, sir, ha? This is your book. This was the booklet that I read. Gibasa na ako pagka March 31. So, to quote, as a matter of principle, I will apologize to the Filipino people. Why? Because in the first place, every crime that is committed against a citizen is always a responsibility of the government. Hi, Dinaline. Hi, Rodiox Keys watching. Wave to you. So, moto akong nabasahan pagka 31. Then, the next morning, the first thing that akong gibuhat, nagpray ko. And then, ako din itanaw ang akong bagong pet. Ug sa dihang, nakita na ko kung nahagtak siya. So, paghagtak niya, ako siyang gilambing-lambing. And then, ako nagkuha akong cellphone. So, the first thing that caught my mind was the message. Hi. Ang FB post akong kasi nagtrabaho sa barangay. So, buo to akong screenshot, no? But the only thing that captured in my brain was the word shoot to kill. You know, life is very important, guys. And kanang hulga-hulga hulgaon ang kinabuhi is already an oppression. Oppression is an oppression, except no matter unsa pa na imuhang rason. No? And with all due respect, Sir Rudy Rua Duterte, I think you should know by now that I am a media person. And to quote you, at the back, no? Naagi sa imong libro mismo, oh. Do not control my mouth. This is my mouth. God given to me. God gift to me. God given gift to. Okay? So, ang akong issue nga nung na-trending man og maayo, maybe because people are now thinking that mura sila nalibog kung sabay inantuan. Sir, I am not here to wage war against the government. I am here to correct, because it is not supposed to be like that nga. Shoot to kill, if you could look at that in the dictionary, it's a destruction of life, and it's to kill, shoot to kill. So ing ano na lang kasayon ang atong kinabuhi nga to say those kind of words. I know nga it was intended for the it should be said not in a public general, everybody in the Philippines could hear, or even on the outside. Maybe you could have put in the right type of people to cater such word, because there is ako, sir, number one, the reason that I had an aggression, I had a depression, is because thinking of the fact nga padung na ang COVID pero ang gobyerno wa pa gibuhat na sige pagpanawat og sa mga eroplano niya, padung nag-open paghapon sa China, which is dito ang main kanang outbreak. So for me, in the first place, igo kaayo diri sa imong gisulti nga every crime being committed is because in the first place, every crime that is committed against a citizen is always a responsibility of the government. It should be a responsibility to arrange, but wala man to nahitabo, di ba, sir? So kami diri ta mga pobre, wala may kwarta ika pa ospital, Worried na kaayo ako. Worried kaayo ko, sir. Kaya ano, unsaon naman lang. Unsaon naman lang mahitabo sa atong pamilya kung makubit ta. Dawaton ka ta sa ospital kung natay, wala tay kwarta. Diba? Hi, Sir Mendoza. Hi, Dai Gualiza and Clint Supangan. Thank you for watching. My classmates are watching, no? Thank you for watching. So, balik tanin mo, sir. Ayaw kong personala, sir, because I am just doing my job. I know you are just doing your job, and I don't have any personal grudge on you or any personal vendetta diha nimo. Ang akong issue was the term that was used, shoot to kill. There was nothing else nga akong nahinumduman during pagbasa nako, because the word itself, if you could look at in the dictionary, it's a destruction of life. It's a work of Satan, to be honest. Because the word of God does not suppress, but it makes you do something that is heartfully felt. Hi, Dai, Jane Marie Texon. And then ako, na-trending ko na ko kay mauna. Guys, wala ko nang andoy nga personal FB with my personal conviction and my personal feeling deep inside on how I was pissed at that moment of time. Now, ang katawanan karon kay daghan na kay death threats, daghan na kay nagyawyaw, daghan na kay message. If you could really check my FB, it was so funny kay na uban masig panawag, ang uban masig, hey, I tell you, I am not afraid to die. Kay tanan tao mamatay man ta, pero ang question diha is giunsa man kapag kamatay, basig nakamatay ka tungod sa kahangol, tungod sa kahadlok, tungod sa bahag ikog, no? Hi to all watching right now. God bless you as all. So sir, ang ganiha daw na 5 ka lalaki diri ni ari diri pag alas 3, mga pulis kuno to sila, cyber crime kuno, gikan sila mismo sa Mando dito sa Malacañang. Sir, if it is true, then thank you so much for sending me those 5 guys, 5 policemen. But I cannot appreciate it. Why? It's still an oppression. Why do you need to send those men in my they were not invited in the first place? They could have just arranged, asked for my number, because I am very open. I send I live in, I put my address. But for you to send those man in my kanang home yun diri sa akong mismong balay, is an oppression itself. Why do you have to do it? I am just a mass communication broadcaster. I am just doing my job, and I know you were just doing your job, but the act of doing your job, saying that you will have to, you allow those act of shoot to kill, is such a big no, sir. You have to listen to me in that area. It's a big no, because instead of ang mga tao mulihok, malipay, murag makuan, mga hadlok nanon kay pagtulog apil sila ana. Maybe you could address that to the areas like sa Mindanao, kay daghan man kay diyang mga leftists. Kami diri Cebu, nagtinarong man mi. Di man mi mga leftists, mga tarong man kay mi diri, arrange man kay mi. Hi, brother. Hi, Michael. Hi, Kabanada. Hey, wave to all of you. Ang ako lang unta, sir, hangyo nimo, sir, no, because nagibuhat man to kay niingon man to nga gikan kuno nimo sa imong Malacañang kuno nagpadala direct ang cybercrime, gikan kuno gidirektahan kuno sila sa Malacañang. Tulura kabuk ang ako ang masulti nga challenge for you, sir. Number 1 is, sir, please understand my profession is a broadcaster, and to quote you, do not control my mouth. This is my mouth. God-given gift to me. Akong punagmi. Parihara ta, sir. So, wala ko'y personal grudge nimo. Only the act of saying the word nga shoot to kill. Maura gid na. Then, the second is, kani ay challenge puti ka ani, sir, kani nasa imuha mismong suwat sa imuhang papel dara, oh. Ako medyo tikang ikon para fair gyud tagi. Ako jud ni siyang gibasa, sir. Pagka March 31 ko nagsugod og basa. Sige. Akong basahon na guys, as a matter of principle, I will apologize to those Filipino people. Why? Because, to quote, says, every crime that is committed against a citizen is always a responsibility of the government. See? You are the government and I am just a broadcaster doing my job. Correct. If I have done too much for the words, then I'm sorry. It was honest. That was the honest side of me that caught me, because the way you talk about the simple. We are not animals. We are human beings. We need to be humane. And then the third is, I challenge you to read the Bible, sir. If you read the Bible, God will direct you. God will direct us. God, the real God, the God of Moses, of Abraham, the God of King David, the God of Moses, who leads a lot of people. So, sir, maybe if tinuod nagpadala ka diri police, sir, wala ko nahadlok og police, sir. Kaya I am just doing my job. And actually, I'm going to do the blatter so that everything will be arranged. Magpa-blatter jud ko kay I did not invite those people inside my house to create havoc in my family. Nakuyawan og maayo akong pamilya. Usa ra gid akong ikahadlukan, sir. Usa lang. Mauna ang Ginoo buhi ug bugto nga Dios nako. Nga mo'y nagprotektar nako. Other than that, wa na ko ikahadlukan bisag kinsa pa. Bisag pila pa na ka presidente. Hi, Ginali Acevedo. Hi, classmates. Nasser Fuentes. Hello, guys. Hi. Hi, Brel Ruitida. Marcho Wantin Ao. Hello. Jillian Acosta. Thank you so much for watching, guys, ha. Sorry kay ganiha. Na busy jud ko kay I was preparing for my business. Love, where's my attache case? I want to show them. Okay. Basin pagtuon. Dili ka to lang ay to amin sa car no. Oo. Anyway guys, thank you kaayo no. A lot of people are also messaging me. Am I okay? I'm just fine. Don't worry. This is my job. And the fact that my job wala ko makakwarta ana. This is a pure public service. Okay? And sir, thank you so much. Kung tinuod tong ikaw to nagpadala atong 5 ka lalaki nga taga cybercrime, sir, you're adding a grudge on the wounds that I'm feeling right now. And yes, I have a mental problem which is called bipolar. Yes, it's true. And as a matter of fact, na-trigger na akong bipolar tungod sa dinyo nga wala jud mo ko nakapagandam sa gobyerno. Nakasunod na lang hinuon ng COVID unya unsaon na lang masakit mataktan-tanan mahimo na tatanang mga zombies or unsa ba may tabo nato mga matay na lang bata. Unya kami diri mga pobre nga wala may ikabayad unsa man magpili na lang niya may kisay unahog pa lubong or unahog pa buhi ang amo bang simba kulang asa kinsa muna naka-trigger sa akong depression, sir. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching and I hope you understand my point of view. So wala ko nag hapak or nag go against sa government ni President Rodrigo Duterte. I am just correcting that the proper use of words nga please, if it's super gory like shoot to kill, do not use such words in the public. Yun nga tibok na tanaw.
Pro Duterte ko, libutar ko niya, Duterte man ko.
Yes, love, I know, Pro Duterte, but what I'm saying is, ang akong husband, na siya nga, Pro Duterte, gid siya. Ako, to be honest, I voted for Mar because I was afraid about the bloodbath that would happen. Because a lot of my friends were, oh, sa Duterte, mo patay na, ana. Me, I did not because I hate of kanang patay-patay, ba, di ko ganahan, anak, kay God, ang Ginoo gay nakapasaylo man, how much more kitang tao, di ba? Unya ang kada kinabuhi nga atong gikalas, manubag yun ta sa Ginoo ana, and it is written in the Bible. Tanan nga gipampatay na adyo na siya impact diha sa imong kaugalingon and you will carry that until you die. And again, once again, this is Melissa B. Auman. I live in Bacayuno, Cebu City. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And God bless us all. We can do this. We can do this, guys. We can beat the pestilence. God bless and Godspeed.